I'm Cynthia Shanmugalingam, and this is the Great British Chef Signature Series. I grew up in the UK. My mum was she worked full time. Lots of her cooking was like fast Sri Lankan cookery. She would go to the market and be like, I found this new vegetable called asparagus, I'm going to make a curry with it or whatever. I guess we all kind of were brought up like caught between two worlds, and the restaurant is a celebration of that. I'm Cynthia Shanmugalingam. This is my restaurant Rambutan, and we're cooking Jaffna-style mutton chops. So this is a super simple dish. We just start with these amazing mutton chops that are from an animal that has lived for quite a long time, not lamb, so it has lots of flavour. And we're going to cover it with a spice blend that we make in-house, which is called Jaffna curry powder. It's mainly roasted red chillies, and the roasted flavour gives it lots of heat and some smoky flavour. The most dominant spice is coriander, so it gives it kind of an anise-like taste. Also has fennel, black pepper, turmeric. And then we're also going to add a little bit of red chilli powder for kind of heat. And then that's it. And then it goes straight onto the grill. And then you want to make sure they're liberally seasoned with salt. So then they just go straight on. You can do it on a grill at home or in a griddle pan also, but the barbecue is the best way of recreating the same flavour. What you want is smoke and not fire. You light it and then wait for it to die down, and then it's white, and then that's the right level of heat. And it takes about 4 minutes on one side and then 4 minutes on the other. And you can hold it down so that the fatty side renders. There's something about the gamey flavour of mutton that works so well with this spice mix. It's probably the most well-loved, I would say, diaspora, especially the Sri Lankan diaspora community. Probably the most best-loved combination, mutton, a sort of really spicy mutton curry. It just works really well. It's the same principle, I guess, of why grilled lamb is so delicious in a Turkish restaurant. It's the same Moorish delicious flavour. I just move them up so that they cook more gently on here, and they can rest for a little bit before we slice them open, so they'll be nice and juicy when they finish cooking. So when you're making Sri Lankan curry powder, you basically start by dry roasting whole dried red chillies. And you can use, if you're not that hot on your spices, if you don't want it to blow your head off, you can use Kashmiri red chillies, which are milder. You roast them, and then you add most of the other, you add curry leaves, which you dry roast, coriander, and the other hard seeds. You need to open all of the windows and have your extraction on as high as possible, because the chili will kick up a significant amount of smoke. And then it all takes about 5 minutes, and then you need to blitz it in a spice grinder. The one I have at home is a tiny one. We use a big one in the restaurant. And then we finish them with some fried curry leaves and a little wedge of lime. So this is my Jaffna mutton chops.